welcome to my channel. Are you passionate about wildlife conservation? Do you want to make a real impact while gaining hands-on experience in the field? So, Vulture Conservation Internship Program by Indian Biodiversity Conservation Society (IBCS). So, hi everyone, here is your chance to be a part of an exciting journey, one that's dedicated to conserving one of nature's most important, the vulture. IBCS is thrilled to announce the Vulture Conservation Internship Program, a 2-month immersive experience focused on real world fieldwork, biodiversity monitoring, and community outreach. What you will do: conduct fieldwork at vulture sites, engage with communities, monitor biodiversity, support conservation research and documentation. This program is open to undergraduate and postgraduate students, researchers, and even natural enthusiasts, especially from zoology, environmental science, forestry, and similar background. Fieldwork will be conducted at site nearest to your location, so you can contribute meaningfully to your own region conservation efforts. So spots are limited, so don't wait. Apply today using the link below. Thank you.